Hi there, welcome to Mock Question Monday. This week's question is, which of the following is not a measurement confound? And the answer options are A, observer drift, B, maturation, C, reactivity, and D, observer bias. And the correct answer is B, maturation. So this entire list falls under the umbrella of threats to internal validity. Internal validity is the extent to which an independent variable is responsible for the changes to the dependent variable, to the behavior, and nothing else can claim credit, if you will, for changing the behavior. So what threatens that? Well, there are four things. There's measurement confounds, there's independent variable confounds, there's setting confounds, and subject confounds. And here we're talking specifically about measurement confounds, which includes letter A, observer drift. This is when an observer has a shift or drifts from how they interpret the operational definition for the target behavior. And one way that you can minimize that is to collect IOA, or if needed, you can even retrain your observers on the correct operational definition. Option C is also an example of a measurement confound. This is it's reactivity, right? And this is when an observer's data collection is influenced, right? The measurement is influenced by the awareness that they're being monitored and evaluated. And letter D also falls under measurement confound. This is an observer bias. This is when measurement is influenced by some sort of an expectation or a belief that the target behavior has to happen under these certain conditions or change in a certain way because of a certain treatment. And that belief or expectation can influence what's recorded and threaten the exactness of that measurement. You can minimize this particular confound by using naive observers. So now let's talk about maturation. Maturation is the correct answer because it is not a measurement confound, because it falls under threats to internal validity, but as a subject confounds. And as I've already said, the others are setting, subject, and independent variable. And the reason that maturation is a subject confound is that maturation are the changes that happen within the individual over course of the study. Anything that causes them to behave a certain way just because of natural maturation or setting events in their own life, and not because of that independent variable. Anyhow, I hope that helps, guys, and I'll see you next time.